Imagine waking up tired, feeling bloated after almost every meal, struggling to focus, and wondering why your energy disappears by mid-afternoon. Most people blame aging, stress, or a busy schedule. But what if the real problem is happening inside your gut right now? Your digestive system is home to trillions of bacteria. When these microbes are balanced, they help create energy, support immunity, and even influence your mood. But when that balance breaks down, your body starts sending warning signs that many people ignore. Today, we're looking at 5 science-backed habits that can help support a healthier gut naturally and improve the way you feel every day. 1. Stop constant snacking. Most people think eating small amounts all day keeps their metabolism active. The problem is that your digestive system never gets a break. Between meals, your gut activates a cleaning process that helps remove leftover food particles and unwanted bacteria. Think of it as a cleaning crew that only works when the kitchen is closed. If you're constantly reaching for snacks, that cleanup process gets interrupted. Try leaving 4 to 5 hours between meals whenever possible. Giving your gut time to rest may help reduce bloating and support healthier digestion. 2. Feed your good bacteria. Your gut bacteria need food too. The foods they love most aren't expensive supplements, they're plant fibers. Vegetables, fruits, beans, nuts, seeds, herbs, and whole grains provide fuel for beneficial bacteria. As these bacteria break down fiber, they create compounds that help support the gut lining and reduce inflammation. One of the biggest predictors of a healthy gut isn't eating more food, it's eating a wider variety of foods. Challenge yourself to include different colorful plants throughout the week. Variety creates a stronger and more resilient microbiome. 3. Respect your body's internal clock. Your digestive system follows a daily rhythm. Earlier in the day, your body handles food more efficiently. As evening approaches, digestion naturally slows down. Late-night meals often leave the body working overtime when it should be focusing on recovery and sleep. A simple strategy is to finish dinner earlier and avoid unnecessary late-night snacking. Giving your digestive system a longer overnight break may help support better sleep, blood sugar control, and gut health. 4. Lower stress before eating. Have you ever eaten while answering emails, scrolling social media, or rushing between meetings? When you're stressed, your body enters survival mode. Blood flow shifts away from digestion, making it harder to properly break down food. That's why some people experience bloating or stomach discomfort even when they're eating healthy foods. Before your next meal, take 3 slow, deep breaths. It sounds simple, but it sends a signal to your nervous system that you're safe and relaxed. Better digestion often starts before the first bite. 5. Reduce everyday gut disruptors. Many factors can disturb the balance of your gut bacteria. Unnecessary antibiotic use, highly processed foods, pesticide residues, and poor dietary habits can all impact the microbiome over time. Whenever possible, wash produce thoroughly, choose high-quality foods, drink enough water, and use medications responsibly under medical guidance. Small choices repeated daily can make a surprisingly large difference. The truth is that gut health isn't about a miracle supplement or a trendy detox. It's about creating the right environment. Give your gut time to clean itself, feed it diverse plant foods, eat in sync with your body's natural rhythm, manage stress before meals, reduce unnecessary disruptions. These habits may seem small, but together they can support better digestion, clearer thinking, more stable energy, and healthier aging. Your gut is working for you every single day. The question is, are you helping it do its job? If you found this video helpful, subscribe and let us know in the comments which of these 5 habits will you start today.